Hi, Thierry here. Short demo here how you can use the push to talk functionality in the Teams Shortcuts PowerTool. So this is a new feature, and the trick is on the tool tray icon you can have some action, and if you're during a meeting, so if you do a long press with the middle mouse button, it will activate the push to talk, so the mic is on, and if I release the mouse click, then it's set back to off. So long press goes on, you can speak, release goes off, and of course this works also if the Teams meeting window is not active. Long press, release. That's it, pretty cool.